Eyes Closed Advanced Beginner Tap Dance Lesson Tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you a short combination to the song Eyes Closed by Ed Sheeran. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Also, be sure to watch all the way through so you can see how to get my free guide on the 3 biggest mistakes that advanced beginner tap dancers make. Number 3 is pretty serious. You can do damage to your ankles and toes, so you don't want to miss that. All right, let's jump right in, shall we? Starting with the right foot, you have dig, toe, step, step, dig, toe, step, step. I'm going to show that again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and from there, right foot's free. Stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, hold, heels, heels. Again, that last part is stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, hold, heels, heels. Super! Let's connect it from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and up and 8. Yeah, I'll do it a couple more times to make sure it's comfortable. 6, beginning and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and up and 8. And one more time with a little more speed. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and up and 8. From here we repeat the beginning, but we start with the left foot. Dig, toe, step, step, dig, toe, step, step, followed by stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Again, that last part was stamp, shuffle, step, stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. Let's go from the left foot leading with the dig, toe, step, step, and connect that to the stamp, shuffle, step, stamp. 6, left foot leads. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, of course we'll do it again. Same thing. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. How about one more time? 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Beautiful, my friends. It's time to connect that from top through everything you know so far. You got this. 6, beginning, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, we'll do it again. Make sure when you're doing that heel that your brain is already jumping ahead to the left foot leading on dig, toe, step, step. If your brain is jumped ahead, you'll be ready for it. If not, you maybe catch yourself saying, "Oh, what's next?" Right? So try to think ahead during the heels. We'll take it from top again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. From here, the right foot's free. We're going to do double buffalo, flap, scuff. Double buffalo, flap, scuff. Double buffalo is just a regular buffalo that starts with a flap instead of a step. So again, that's flap, shuffle, step, flap, scuff. Flap, shuffle, step, flap, scuff. Twice in a row. Let's do that one more time. 6, ready, go. A 1 and a 2 and a 4. A 5 and a 6 and 8. From there you have stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step, stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step. That rhythm is 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and. I'll do it again. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and. Followed by dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, stamp, stamp. Again, that last part. 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Now let's connect those two pieces together from the stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. How about we do it again? I agree. 6, same spot, ready, go. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. One more time, my friends. One more time. Same spot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Now how about we rewind and connect that from our double buffalo. 6, ready, go. A 1 and a 2 and a E and 4. 5 and a 6 and a E and 8. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Let's run out a few more times to get that fluid and smooth. 6, double buffalo, go. A 1 and a 2 and a E and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a E and 8. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Beautiful. One more time, same spot. 6, ready, go. A 1 and a 2 and a E and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a E and 8. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Super! You know the whole thing now. We're going to go back and we're going to connect it from the top. Before we do, I'd love if you're having a good time to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Anything, even one word like thanks, anything is appreciated. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Cool, thanks so much. Also, don't forget down below, we've got a link to my completely free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that advanced beginner tap dancers make. And number 3, like I said, you can do damage to your knees and your ankles and your back. You don't want to be messing with that. You don't want to be making that mistake. Once you know these mistakes, you can easily avoid them, and then you can have a great time tapping without worrying about anything. So be sure to click that link below and get that free guide. All right, let's take it and put it all together from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. A 1 and a 2 and a E and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a E and 8. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Okay, don't worry if that first run through was rough. That's totally normal for the first time you put it all together. We're going to run it through a couple more times to get you more comfortable with it. Here we go, top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. A 1 and a 2 and a E and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a E and 8. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. There we go. All right, one more time from the top, no music, and after that we'll put some music on and we'll have a whole lot more fun. 5, 6, top 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. A 1 and a 2 and a E and 4. A 5 and a 6 and a E and 8. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 5 E, a 6 and a E and 8 and. Beautiful. Let's roll it with music. We're doing it to the song Eyes Closed by Ed Sheeran, and I'm starting at 1 minute and 48 seconds into the song. Let's give it a go. In fact, I'm going to start about 10% under real speed, and we'll work our way up to the real deal.
Life just goes
5, 6,
so I'm
7,
dancing
8.
with my eyes closed. Everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do, so I'll keep dancing with my
Yeah, this part, that's the fast part. So if you're mentally prepared for it, hopefully it won't catch you off guard and you can get that part up to speed. But that is definitely the most challenging part, speed-wise. Let's take it from top again. Get you more comfortable with this.
life just goes
5, 6,
so I'm
7,
dancing
8.
with my eyes closed. Everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. I don't know what else that I can do, so I'll keep dancing with my
All right, we're going to boost it maybe about 5%. So it'll be about 5% under tempo. You'll feel the difference, but hopefully you can still hang just fine. Let's give it a shot.
life just goes on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing with
8.
my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. And I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Yeah! Okay, give yourself a run through or two to adjust to the speed change, but it'll come. Let's roll it again. Same thing. 5% under.
Life just goes
5,
on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing with
8.
my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. And I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Yeah!
oh.
All right. Now, for all you overachievers, we're going to push it up to the real speed. It's definitely going to be faster. If you're not ready for that, just do this slower speed rewind and do that a couple more times. Here we go, overachievers. Let's see what you got.
Life just goes
5,
on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing
8.
with my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. And I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
Yeah, it's this. That's definitely the part where it's pushing. I'll hit it one more time for my overachievers. Good luck and have fun.
Life just goes
5,
on.
6,
So I'm
7,
dancing with
8.
my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. And I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
That's brisk. I'm gonna do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well.
Life just goes on. So I'm dancing with my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. Time is moving so slow. And I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my
All right, thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and drop a comment down below. Also, don't forget our completely free guide to the biggest 3 mistakes that advanced beginner tap dancers make. You especially don't want to be making mistake number 3. It's totally free, and if you click that link and download that guide, you'll also get some additional surprise bonuses. And one of those bonuses is really helpful if you like to learn tap dance off of video, either YouTube or videos that you've downloaded or purchased. It'll help you have a better experience when you do that. So that's one of the bonus items that will come your way. So be sure to check that out. Also, at UnitedTaps.com, we have so much fun stuff. We have huge lesson series, advanced beginner level, other levels too, but we have the advanced beginner level. We've got across the floor combinations, practice exercises, tap dictionary, tap dance workouts, tap dance choreography. Just about anything tap dance related. If you want to do more tapping and have a great time, be sure to hop on over to UnitedTaps.com where you'll find tons of content. Thank you again for tapping with me. I appreciate it. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, helping you be happier and healthier through tap dance.